Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back for the AAA cards challenges. It's number 174. Use up to 1/3 and maybe some woodland animals. And here's the card I made. Kitty pie. Oh. I start with ink blending my window onto a card base. I die cut this off screen, but I noticed later there's a little tear on the paper and also a smudge, so I redid it as well off screen, and just because it's a little bit easier with my machine, it doesn't fit into the frame. So now I know where to ink blend, and I'm using oxides. I kind of the greens that I have. I use peacock feathers, mowed lawn, evergreen bough, and I think shabby shutters, or this one is crushed olive, I'm not sure. It doesn't matter, just use what you have, and I'm doing some kind of a blotchy ink blending. And there's no very more reason, I just want it a little bit patchy, like there's a leafy canopy in the background. See, this is peacock feathers. You can't mistake that one. I also pulled out twisted citron and another light green, cracked pistachio I think, but I didn't use them. I just went with a little bit of the darker ones. See, this is where I put them away and I forgot to check which ones I had, but again, just use what you have. See, in the background it looks like blurry trees or bushes, or well, I don't know. And for it I will show you how I die cut this. This is from Memory Box 3-branch circle, and it's a solid die, so it's very hard to line up straight if you want the trees at least to go straight. So what I do is put it on my grid, and I use this, well, it's now depleted post-it notes, and I stick it on top. So if I line up the grid, I know the trees are straight, and I put my card panel on top. It will stick to the post-its if it's still sticky. But yeah, I'll do it again. And you can also, if you have one of those paper pads to work, it's actually underneath my cutting mat, then you can draw the outline of your card. This is Joycraft's kind of a skinny pine trees that I wanted to use in the background, but I thought that is getting too busy, so I'll put them in here and maybe use them another time. And this, because of the ink blending, already looks like trees. I don't think I need them, and I did them white because my card panel is white as well. And my opening is about 1/3 of my card base, and it's round. It's a little bit harder to judge, but I took my die and it fits 2 on top of each other and then 2 halves on the side, so I'm pretty sure that's 1/3. And this is the image that I'm going to use. This is CC Design Foxes, and there's sentiments like thanks for being you, you make me jump for joy, and there's a jumping fox in there. But I'm using the one where the 2 are sleeping with my with a bunny on top, so I'm using friends till the end. And thanks for being you, but the other ones were too big, so I didn't want to use them, or just a happy birthday again. And I'm using Versamagic. I recently re-inked it, so I'm checking it on paper, and I put a red sticker on it because I couldn't find refills for the clear Nocturne inks, so I refilled it with the Onyx black ink. And then I just put a sticker on because I bought a new one as well, just so I know if something goes wrong with the ink, it might be because I contaminated it. See, this is where the smudge is, so I redid that off camera. And what I do is coloring with Spectrum Noir markers, and then I will turn on the music, and then I'll just use some tape runner and liquid glue to adhere everything to the card base. So thank you for watching. I hope you will join us at this challenge. The links are down below, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!